Today I'm going to review the MSI Aegis ZS2 pre-built desktop gaming PC. At any point during this video, if you'd like to check out this gaming PC for yourself and get it at a great price, make sure to check out the links below this video. We're diving into the MSI Aegis ZS2 gaming desktop, a beast of a machine that's packed with top-tier hardware and designed to elevate your gaming and productivity to the next level. Right out of the box, the MSI Aegis ZS2 impresses with its sleek, modern design. The black tower is compact yet robust, with a clean, minimalist look that fits any setup. But don't let the simplicity fool you. This desktop is all about performance. The built-in RGB lighting adds a touch of flair, allowing you to customize the look with just the press of a button. Whether you're setting the mood for an intense gaming session or just want a cool ambiance, the RGB options have you covered. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood. The MSI Aegis ZS2 is powered by the AMD Ryzen 9 7900X processor, featuring 12 cores and 24 threads. This means you're getting serious performance for both gaming and creating. Whether you're diving into the latest AAA titles or running intensive video editing software, this CPU has the power and efficiency to handle it all. But it doesn't stop there. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 Super GPU is a game changer. With DLSS 3.5 technology powered by AI, you're looking at maximum FPS and top-notch image quality. This GPU isn't just for gamers. Creators will love the accelerated workflows and stunning visuals it delivers. One of the standout features of the MSI Aegis ZS2 is its cooling system. Equipped with a 240mm liquid cooler, this PC stays cool even during the most hardware-intensive tasks. No more worrying about overheating during those long gaming marathons or heavy rendering sessions. MSI has ensured that you get the best performance without compromising on reliability. Storage and connectivity are also top-notch on the MSI Aegis ZS2. With 32GB of DDR5 RAM and a massive 2TB M.2 NVMe SSD, you'll experience blazing fast load times and seamless multitasking. Whether you're running multiple applications or loading large game files, this PC won't miss a beat. And with Wi-Fi 6E, you can enjoy ultra-fast and stable internet connections, making online gaming and streaming smoother than ever. Now, no product is perfect, and there is one thing to keep in mind with the MSI Aegis ZS2. At 38 pounds, it's not the most portable option out there. If you're someone who frequently moves your setup or attends LAN parties, this might be a bit cumbersome. However, if you're setting it up in one spot and leaving it there, this shouldn't be an issue. So who is the MSI Aegis ZS2 for? If you're a gamer looking for top-tier performance, a creator needing reliable power, or just someone who wants a PC that can do it all, this desktop is a fantastic choice. The combination of the Ryzen 9 7900X CPU, RTX 4070 Super GPU, ample storage, and excellent cooling makes it a powerhouse that can enhance your daily life, whether you're gaming, working, or streaming. If you're interested in picking up the MSI Aegis ZS2, check out the links in the description below. Thanks for tuning in to today's latest review. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Remember to check out the links below for some fantastic deals on the product we discussed today. Your support means a lot to us, and it helps us keep bringing you the best and up-to-date reviews.